Hey guys, in this video I want to be actually modifying my channel design. The new YouTube channel designs, I actually upgraded my layout. Um, I'm not much of a good layout creator, but here's my channel, and I created this picture over here, just some random thing. As soon as I threw up a new channel design, I decided, hey, why not change my channel image and kind of like play with my branding. And yeah, so it doesn't look super duper uber, and I want to change it. And I kind of studied a little bit about the channel art guidelines. If you upgrade it to the brand new channel art, the channel layout for YouTube, they actually have interesting specs, right? So I actually went on and created a template based on this, and I want to discuss with you guys. So here's my template. So here's what you need to know. Um, Different devices have different resolutions, right? So TV, we have max resolution 2120 by 1192, which is the biggest. That's the whole canvas, actually. That's the size of the entire canvas. Just note of that, 2120 by 1192. And again, for the logo safe area, we're always going to have this area right here. The minimal amount for desktop and mobile is 1280 by 850. This is actually the web safe area. Then we have our tablet safe area, which means that anyone on a tablet will actually see everything coming from here to here with these gray areas, right? And then we have our desktop maximum, which is 2120 by 350. So based on your viewers' resolutions, they'll be able to see either more or less of your logos, right? So this is a nice little layout to help explain. And I actually got all this just by going over here. And when I went to my channel and clicked on the edit button and added channel art, immediately it wanted me to just drag a photo in there, and it's going to try to kind of stick it in there. But then I clicked on how to create the actual channel art, and that's when it took me to this page over here, and it told me, the desktop maximum view in pixels resolution, and then we have tablet, and we have the minimum desktop and for mobile devices like iPhones and Blackberries, etc., Androids, and then we have the TV, right? So this is exactly what it looks like. So I want to make some design for me. So if you've been to my channel and you watch my videos, I make stuff about computers, right? So I need a computer-based kind of background. So let me go here, and I was actually watching this Ghostbusters 2 song. Let me change this. All right, so let me look for something computer background. And let's see what we got over here. I'm just going to be really quick about it. Um, I know it's a retarded search term because so much stuff has like there's so many things out there that relate to computer backgrounds, and something that I might like that I can put up on my channel. I really like nice and flashy colors. So yeah, let's see if I can pick on this one over here. Um, mm, mm, mm. Come on, load for me, baby. Keep in mind, while I'm recording my screen, everything loads slow for some reason. Ever since I did some update. All right, we're almost ready. Let me see. Close this. I don't need this. View the original image. So this is 1920 by. Hold on. This is a Vista actually add-on. Hold on. Let me see what it would look like if I put it on here. Um, okay. So it's just about perfect, except I just got to stretch it out a little bit. Now I'm just curious what this piece here would actually look like. Um, So suppose that I'm going to cut this piece out. Right, and suppose I'm going to cut the bottom piece out as well. Okay, and this is what it's going to kind of look like. And I'm going to give it a solid background. So this doesn't look so bad, right? It's interesting. I'm going to be playing around more with it. So now you have an idea of what I'm talking about when making these things. So I got this picture here, right? And I actually really happen to like this. So I'm gonna try and have it done right. So let me copy this, and let me put this in here as my background. Actually, let me remove. I want to be able to have a nice channel layout. Thing is I'm not too much of a pro, and I don't really know what the heck I'm doing sometimes. I'm just kind of free flowing it. But I really wanted to make a video because I've seen I joined these forums, right? And a lot of people were talking to me about, hey, how do you do these things and get these backgrounds and colors and all these things. And actually, I just started playing with it myself. So let's get an outer glow in here real quick. Now, what I'm using to do this is Photoshop. Photoshop is actually an awesome program. You can use any image manipulation program, actually. I just happen to be using Photoshop. You could use anything, really. You could even use Paint. Could use pretty much anything. So notice what I'm doing. See what I'm doing over here? I'm just kind of bringing the middle of this out, kind of making it three-dimensional. Why? Because, here, let me apply this actually. So now I have this picture, right? And let me look at my how safe I am with this. So if you see here, if we look back at our guide over here, you'll see what I did was is I just kind of accentuated the center, and that's what people are going to be looking at. And now I'm going to be able to type in here anything that I want to type. So yeah, so I accentuated the middle of this template in here. Let me just move this layer on top also. And I'm going to show you that our desktop maximum and our TV resolution will be able to see everything. Our tablet is going to end right about here. Anyone viewing on a tablet. And anyone viewing on a desktop, standard resolution 1280 by 350 is the size of this banner. But at 1280 res width, anyone is going to be able to view just about up to here. And now I can continue playing with this and seeing how I want to design it. So I'm going to design over my template because I want to make sure I stay within the guidelines. So let me add some arbitrary text here. And let's wait for my text tool to pop up. Come on, pop up, pop up, pop up. Of course, it just takes forever while I'm actually recording the video, but it'll pop up eventually. Tick tock, come on. Don't crash on me now. Meanwhile, so yeah, so that's where I was kind of heading at, accentuating the videos and being able to choose, you know, accentuating the background and being able to kind of manipulate the way that it looks, giving it kind of a 3D-ish look, as you see. And I really think my Photoshop just kind of cracked down on me and crashed on me because the text tool is not opening. And it's kind of balmy that actually it happens during a video. It doesn't really ever happen. Oh, there you go, it loaded. That was just something. All right, I guess it took a while to load all my fonts out. All right, so let me add this arbitrary text here. This text is going to be probably black with white color. So let's go with black, and let's just type in here, welcome, and let's make the font not so big. Wow. Oh, I was working on a high DPI image, that's why. All right, let's make the font, let's lower it down. I think that's why it may have froze me up. But okay, so let's make the font nice, big enough. All right, 36 point is still not big enough. Let's make it 136 points. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so I'm just going to say welcome. Welcome to my channel. And I'm going to get this font a little lower. Let's make it 72. Welcome to my channel. Please, what am I going to write? I don't even know what to write. I have no logo. I have nothing. All right, let me just say welcome to my channel. I'm going to play with this later. I'm not going to blow too many minutes on the video, but all right, so I'm going to delete this layer, just make it a nice welcome to my channel picture. You see what it looks like. Let's play with the text a little bit more, make it a little bit more funky. And then I'm going to actually go on and publish this. So you see, based on the outline and the guidelines, what I just really did is I decided, hey, let's make this crisp text. I decided, hey, you know, why not, you know, center it properly and just make it look good based on their new guidelines. All right, so let's use a white glow on this. I'm a big fan of glow. I really like glow, actually. It's a really nice tool in Photoshop. Now, like I said, you don't have to have Photoshop. You could use anything to do this. You just have to kind of, you know, just get into it a little bit. So here, welcome to my channel. Can we give it big glow, light glow? I guess this looks just about good enough. Okay, I'm done. This is my background now. So let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to go and I'm going to save this guy. I'll save it as a PNG file. and I'm going to save it to my desktop as my new layout. And I'm going to go back to my channel, and I'm going to click on edit my channel art, and I'm going to select a photo from my computer, and it's going to be what I just saved over here. And let me just finish saving it. Okay. All right, let's go to my desktop and pick my new layout, have it upload, and publish. And then we're going to take a look at what it's going to look like. And that's how we basically do it. So that's the point of my video. What I wanted to show in this video is that if you've upgraded your channel, or you're new and you received this new layout, right, and you want to work on the graphics to your site, you want to make it look good and you want to make it look pretty, and you want to do it right by following the guidelines of the artwork. So that's how I pretty much got it done. Now, in the description of this video, hey, take a look. It's going to show you right now what it's going to look like. So desktop, TV, right, and then mobile. So the crop is perfect because I did all this in Photoshop. And I'm just going to click on select, and it's going to save, and it's going to modify my picture right now. Except it's taking... Ooh, the file size of the image is too large. Please reduce it. Alright, I guess it doesn't like the size of my picture, so I guess I have to reduce it. So I'll save it as a JPEG. A reduced size JPEG. I'm disappointed that it doesn't like it because of the size, but alright, 342K is good enough. Alright, it's saved. Let's do this again one more time. If you get errors like this, just remember, a PNG file is, I guess, is too much. But you can control the way you save the image, whether it's a bitmap or whatchamacallit. Let's cancel this and upload a new file. If it's a bitmap, or if it's a JPEG or a GIF, or different file sizes have different file formats have different sizes, so it's okay. So let me go and upload this JPEG now. Right, so this JPEG is less. The other one was over a meg. I guess because it's rich in color. PNGs are very good. All right, so I'm going to select it, and let's look at our final product. There we go. So here is our official, my official, whatchamacallit, banner. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to play a little bit more with this, but yeah, this actually looks not so bad. And you can use browsershots.org to kind of preview this on every resolution, but YouTube kind of gave me an idea, so I did use this guideline over here. And what I'm going to do is this guideline, which I've already, here, let me just enable all of these babies over here. Okay. You see this guideline for you guys? I'm going to actually post this template in the description of the video, where you're going to be able to actually work with this. And I might even include this PSD file. So if you use Photoshop, you could just open this file and do it yourself. And play with the idea. You don't need a fancy schmancy designer. See the shadow overlapping up and down. Okay, so you don't need a designer, and you could just go hunting for these kind of layouts, and you can always get ideas. Remember that it's 2120 by 1192. If you're curious what other people do, you could just go on Google, and in images, right, put in YouTube, and go to your search tools, and change the size to look for the exact size of the template of the images. And that's going to show you other people's templates and ideas and what they have done. So in images, right, we're going to go to more. No, we're going to go to search tools, and we'll modify the size. I'm just going to show you how you can look at other people's work to kind of get ideas of what you want to do. So we're going to go to any size. We're going to make it exactly 2120 by 1192. And here is some of other people's artwork. Take a look. This is what they have done. This is a background right here for YouTube that someone had created. We have a lot of backgrounds here, a lot of ideas. YouTube is my hobby, not my job. Yeah, it is my hobby, not my job. But all right, so here you see there's other templates out there that you can search, and I'm going to put up a picture of the template that I've been using to create this background. And I hope it helps somebody out there, and I appreciate you watching the video. Again, thank you everyone. About 3 days ago, I got over 1 million views on my channel on all my videos. And I want to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for watching my work and watching my videos, and thank you very much. And please do subscribe and join, and I'm going to try and do my best to deliver you more content. that's going to help you guys out and teach you things and kind of, give you insight using computers, office applications, etc. So thank you, and welcome to my channel. Bye.